Before we learn how to draw different shapes, I'm going to teach you how to delete certain objects. So one way of doing it is using the select tool, the arrow in this left menu here, the arrow tool there. Click and drag and press delete on your keyboard, and the Control and Z is undo as well. Or I can click and select individual things and delete them. Or another way to delete items in SketchUp is to use this eraser here, so we can erase off individual lines. There we go. So let's have a look at the shapes tools then. So rectangle here in the drawing tools menu, click once and click the rectangle there. I'm going to draw a rectangle from the origin, 2000 millimeters, 2000 millimeters. So that's a square, sorry, 2000 by 2000. I'm going to draw lines across there with the line tool. And I'm going to select the rectangle tool, but find circle. I'm going to draw a circle from the centre point there, pull out on this axis to find a radius of 1000 millimeters and click once. That's how to draw a circle with a given radius within another shape right in the centre. Or another way to use the circle tool is if it doesn't need to be exactly in a certain location, click the circle tool and you can freely click and draw and type in your radius. So click once to start the circle, type in the radius, click again or press enter. Another shape which is quite useful is the rotated rectangle tool. So click once to set your first line. So I'm going to start in the origin, I'm going to pull along, I'm going to type in the first length, so 1000 millimeters, press enter. I can then set whereabouts I want this rectangle, the width of the rectangle and the angle as well. So you can see there I can set my rectangle, the second dimension, the width of it and also the angle, and I can type that in if I want. So let's have a look here. I'm going to go 1000 millimeters, 45 for the degrees for the angle, and there we have a rectangular shape. Oh, click to confirm. A rectangular shape at an angle of 45 degrees. So that's the last drawing tool that we're going to look at for the time being.